Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly but suddenly, your transmission starts acting weird, rough shifting, slipping, or even getting stuck in one gear. You grab your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0989 appears. This means your shift solenoid, J control circuit is high, causing improper gear shifts. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0989 means, where the key sensors are located and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0989? DTC P0989 stands for Shift Solenoid J Control Circuit High. Your transmission control module, TCM, controls shift solenoids inside the transmission. These solenoids open and close valves to direct hydraulic fluid, ensuring smooth gear shifts. When P0989 is triggered, it means the circuit controlling shift solenoid J is receiving higher than expected voltage, leading to shifting problems. Symptoms of P0989. If your car has this error code, you might notice harsh or delayed shifting transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine or transmission warning light, unpredictable or slipping gears, reduced fuel efficiency, sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0989, you need to find these components. Shift solenoid J location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to enable smooth gear changes. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically mounted under the dashboard near the battery or on the transmission case. Function, manages voltage signals sent to the shift solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, attached to the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors transmission fluid pressure and ensures proper shifting. Wiring and connectors for shift solenoid circuit location. Runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function, transmits signals between the solenoid and control module. What causes P0989? Common causes include 1. Faulty shift solenoid, J, stuck solenoid or receiving excess voltage, 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, shorts, corrosion or broken wires in the circuit, 3. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage, 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing shifting issues, 5. Defective transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect pressure readings. How to fix P0989? Step 1, check transmission fluid. If it's low or dirty, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2, inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or loose wiring near the solenoid and TCM. Step 3, test the shift solenoid, J. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3-10 ohms. Replace if faulty. Step 5, clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0989 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10-15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If you see P0989, your shift solenoid J circuit has high voltage, which can affect transmission performance. Fixing it early will prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0845, transmission fluid pressure sensor circuit high. P0846, transmission fluid pressure sensor circuit intermittent.